Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Equinox Hotel Hudson Yards, New York City. It's a 5-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are 2 swimming pools, free Wi-Fi, parking, family rooms, non-smoking rooms, fitness center and a bar. Equinox Hotel Hudson Yards, New York City. Equinox Hotels was created for those who rest and play as hard as they work. For those who seek a place that matches the scale of their ambitions and a space to restore and regenerate. Located in Hudson Yards, New York's newest neighborhood and home to more than 100 diverse shops and culinary experiences, public art and cultural institutions. Times Square is 1.2 miles from the hotel. At the hotel, every room features total soundproofing, blackout blinds, and integrated technology for personalization. Staff at the accommodations are always available to provide advice on what to do and what to see in New York City. Centrally located to all major airports, including Newark Int'l Airport, 16 miles away, York La Guardia Airport, 9.8 miles away, and York JFK Airport, 16 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.